Hi, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is a random rant on the how-to videos, the how-to tutorials, the how-to seminars, the how-to this and the how-to that. So, I'm not discriminating because I'm going to have 1,000 how-tos myself, okay? So just stay tuned. And the creators of most of these are very creative. You know, they actually put their heart and soul and the information and knowledge they have into the videos. But one thing my friend and I were talking about, she said, they don't give you the real meat and potatoes. Because, of course, they tell you how they did it, but they don't give you the essential information so that you can, they don't tell you everything because it's a lead on. Okay, hey, here, start here, buy here, and you know, the packages get bigger, And she was referring to how to become a millionaire in real estate. And some of the stuff she was saying, I'm like, yeah, I can tell you those things as a licensed realtor. I can definitely show you those things without even charging you for them. And again, I ain't trying to give up the secrets on these how-to videos and, you know, what their real purpose is. Because like I said, I'm going to have 1,000 myself. But my how-to for you is this. The first most important thing that you need to do for yourself is how to manifest what you want in your life. You have to work on you first. This is the magic answer. I done put the secret out. You are the first thing that you need to work on. It doesn't matter. You can get anything you want, but can you keep it? And understanding how to keep it is understanding who you are, what you're supposed to be, how to motivate yourself in different areas of your life, whether it's finance, physical, mental, spiritual, in relationships. It's you. You are the first step to any how-to. Understanding how to control your mind, how to control your emotions, how to control your environment, how you can understand how to magnify what you want. When you do that, these how-to videos make more sense. The people, the creators, they just were able to resonate with what worked for them, what their passion was, what their desire was. And so as they explain to you their tips and how they did it, no two people are the same. So you're not going to be able to do it exactly how they did it. You may not get the results exactly as they got the results. But when you work on you, your desires, your mental stability, what motivates you, any of the steps that anybody has taken before you just become more easier. So again, how do you become the best you can be? That's what my life works are. That's what my videos are. They are just motivational, self-help, me ranting or me coming up with like really thought-provoking topics to help you discover who you are. Once you discover who you are, you can do your own how-tos. Because you'll have that juice, that sauce, that passion, that desire. And you can break down every step of the way you did to create whatever you desire. So again, you have to start with you. And everything after that is like a domino effect. It just goes and it goes and it goes and it goes and it goes. Thank you. And I hope I've shed some light and given you some type of motivation so that you can find the true you, so that you can be the best you can be. My complete line of videos is on YouTube. It's Ifawui, and I hope to see you there. Have a great day.